Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Instant Pot Pro, an 8-quart, 10-in-1 pressure cooker that promises to be your new kitchen hero. Let's start with today's deals and watch the full video to make a buying decision.
Look, we've been using Instapots for a couple of years now, since our first kid told us, hey, we said, how do you make that chicken so good at that store? And there's like pressure cooking. It was like pressure cooking. We had to get our first one. So we've been using our first Instapot. It was time for an upgrade. So we took a look at this Pro. It does some really nice stuff, some excellent presets here. Thing does 10-in-1. You can even set 5 of your own presets. It does sauteing, does steaming. It makes rice perfectly on the non-stick stainless steel insert. Some real nice upgrades too here, and some customizable features as well. You could do some baking in here. I understand you could make cheesecake. We haven't tried that yet. We're dying to do that. Yogurt, sterilization, steaming your vegetables. So healthy. What an amazing and flexible unit this thing is. Now look, all you do is take the top off. It only goes on one way, comes on real easy. They even give you some spare parts in here, which is really nice. You just put it on, seal it, click it to pressure cook. If you're doing that, that's great. The insert's upgraded too. It's got 2 nice handles on it now, and it's got some measuring too, so it tells you the maximum fill. You need water or some kind of liquid to get the pressure cooking going, and this tells you exactly how much you put in there, so now you don't need a measuring pot. That's really kind of handy. And these handles have silicone on them. They're kind of heat resistant, but be careful. You're putting something in there for a long time, it might still get a little hot. Just lock it on, set it, put your program in there, click on the vent or seal, and this thing is ready to go. So easy to use. As a matter of fact, there's a million recipes on the Instant Pot app you can get for free. We did some chili on this thing, so we could saute our ground beef in here, so without dirtying another pan, put it all in one. Why use 2 pans? And this turkey is unbelievable, phenomenal. Let's put a little bit of water in here. I use a little extra water, a little flavor, and I end up with some beautiful turkey soup afterwards. I mean, why not, right? You're going to get a bunch of liquid in it. Why not make something good out of it? So you set this guy on here, put it on seal. Now, turkey takes a long time to cook. It's about an hour and a half. This thing is just partially frozen, so you can set your time. I'm doing a custom program here, but I could save this as a favor. I usually do my turkey for about an hour and 30 minutes, and it seems to come out perfect. It falls apart. It's so tender and so juicy, never burned. Unbelievable what this thing does to turkey. So just let the steam out here. It has another steam cover, which I'll show you in a second too, and it just lets the steam out. You can go slow release as well. And if you want it to cook a little bit longer, get a little more tender, you can do that with slow ribs, slow release ribs, and all kinds of other things with chicken. So we took this guy out, and look at this thing. It's just beautiful. Now, you're not going to have the burned seasoning on it or the burned finish, but you can put it in the oven for a couple of minutes and broil it. Add that little color on it if you want. This thing really shines as a rice cooker. We've been making rice in these things for years. We threw our rice cooker away because this does such a great job. Again, it's non-stick with the stainless steel insert. We did rice and beans this time. So if you've never done rice and beans, this is a really easy way to do it without having to watch it on the stove and cook forever. And this is so quick too. You just cook this for, I think it's about 10 minutes after it warms up, and you've got beautiful rice and beans just like you'd get at your favorite restaurant. There's a secret. We put chili beans and black beans in it too. Shh, don't tell anybody. Mom's old recipe. Pop it on there. Make sure it's on seal. Hit the rice setting. You have a white rice setting. And it's 12 minutes. Press start and you're good to go. It's going to yell at you when it's done. Let the steam out. This is the other attachment, which kind of diffuses the steam a little bit. Doesn't make it that big, giant geyser that goes all the way up to the ceiling. So this is kind of an improvement on the old one as well. Pop it out and look at this. Look at this beautiful this would make my neighbors jealous. Don't tell them it's here because they'll be over here for dinner for 7 days a week. And then we did a little bit of chicken in the Instapot oven, and wow, look at this meal. A meal fit good enough to be in a restaurant. Can't say enough great things. We love this Instapot Pro. We are big fans. We don't even use our kitchen anymore. It's so good. Love this thing.
Thanks for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell icon, to stay updated with our latest videos. And don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends and family. Check out the description to find the product link.